Here we go. Oh, we're still going over the top of that. Don't let me go over the top of that.
I dragged my feet as much as I could. Uh-oh. My knee capsules. How was that?
Awesome.
Alright. Okay.
Are we ready?
We're going.
Alright.
Oh my god!
Oh. That was a little too close.
Mom! What? Yeah.
You got up on the top, didn't you? I think if I'd let go of you, you would have just kept going. That was cool. There we go. I am digging my feet.
Good job, Daddy.
We'll push you down the stairs.
I'll have to take those stairs.
Yeah, it's good. I don't have any handle on mine at all. Knuckleheads.
You guys want a lollipop?
I'm catching up! And with that, I think we're done.